routine for easy 28-day declutter challenge, and today we are creating a cozy haven for your books. Whether you're an avid reader or a casual collector, this is your chance to give your bookshelves a stunning makeover. Let's dive in. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. We've been tackling one area of your home at a time, and today it's all about those beloved books. Your bookshelf should inspire you to dive into the next read, not overwhelm you with clutter. If you're just joining us, welcome. Grab your free printable checklist using the link below to catch up on all the days you missed or not. You don't have to follow in order, but use it as a guide on what you can conquer this month. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. It's been a lot. If you have a lot of bookshelves, don't feel like you have to do them all. Keep it simple. Maybe just choose 2. I'm working on the bookshelves in my bedroom because I live in a multi-generational household, and the bookshelf in the living room was already worked on day 11 because that's where we store mostly DVDs and video games. Feel free to check out that one if you missed it. Today, we have 2 steps to transform your bookshelf: book selection and organized display. I know many bookshelves store more than just books, especially if you live in a small space like myself. So do the best you can. The goal is just to declutter and organize. Step 1, book selection. First, take out all of your books off the shelf. Yep, every single one. This allows you to start with a clean slate. Ask yourself, do I love this book? Have I read it? And will I ever read it again? Does this book still serve a purpose in my life? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Consider donating to a local library, school, or charity so someone else can enjoy it. Step 2. Organized display. Now that you have created your collection, it's time to style your bookshelf. Here are some options to make it visually appealing. You can group similar topics together for easy browsing, sort it by color for a stunning display, align the books by height and size for a clean and uniform look. Pro tip: add a mix of decorative items like small plants, candles, or picture frames to break up the rows and give your shelf some personality. And there you have it. Your bookshelf is now a haven for your favorite reads. Doesn't it feel amazing to create a space that is both functional and beautiful? What's one book you keep reading? What's one book you're keeping and one you're ready to pass along? If you don't have books, what are some things that you have on your bookshelf? Share your answers in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your decluttering wins. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're ready for day 15. We're wrapping up the living room, and I can't wait to see what you will accomplish tomorrow. See you tomorrow in the next video for day 15. Bye.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.